In today's video, how to create poll in Messenger. So first, launch Messenger app on your phone. Polls can be only created in the group chat. Navigate to group chat, where you want to create poll, and if you don't have an existing group, create one by adding multiple participants. In group chat, tap on 4-dot icon located at the bottom left of screen, next to camera icon, and from menu that appears, select polls. If you don't see polls option, ensure you are indeed in the group chat. As this feature is not available for individual conversation, enter your poll question in design field, add options for the poll, tap on add option to include more choices. Once you add your options, tap on create poll. And poll will now appear in the group chat. Group members can now vote on the poll by selecting their preferred option and tapping submit.